Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable stock at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of mixed vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. Don't forget aromatics like a few cloves of garlic, 2 bay leaves, and 10 to 15 black peppercorns. Remember to avoid strong-flavored vegetables that can overpower your stock. Using vegetable scraps is a fantastic way to reduce waste and enhance flavor. Now let's prepare our ingredients for cooking. Roughly chop all your vegetables into 1-inch to 2-inch pieces. There's no need for precision here. Place them into a large stock pot and cover them with about 12 cups of cold water. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Allow it to cook for at least 45 minutes, or up to 2 hours, to extract the deepest flavors from your vegetables. Once your stock has simmered sufficiently, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth into another large bowl. Gently press on the solids to extract every last drop of flavorful liquid. It is crucial to cool the stock completely before storing it. You can rapidly cool it by placing the pot in an ice bath. Finally, let's talk about storing your delicious homemade stock. Once completely cooled, transfer it to airtight containers. It will last for about 5 to 7 days in the refrigerator. For longer storage, freeze the stock in smaller, convenient portions, where it can keep for up to 6 months. This versatile stock is perfect as a flavorful base for countless recipes, including soups, stews, and sauces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.